Hello everyone, I am Sachin and in this video lecture we are going to discuss about the concept of resonance. We will see how to draw the resonance structures and the stability comparison between different resonance structures. So starting with the very basic, why the concept was introduced. So if I take an example of ozone molecule O3, so if I draw the Lewis structure of this, will be like this. From this structure, it is very clear that this is bond length A, this is bond length B. This is very clear that A should be less than B, as A is a double bond and this is single bond. So A should be less than, bond length of A should be less than the bond length of B. But experimentally, the picture is different. We have found that both the bond lengths are equal, means A equals to B. What is this? Another example, benzene. We have a benzene. Suppose this is A, this is B, A, B, A, B. So from this structure, this is very clear that A should be less than, bond length of A should be less than the bond length of B, as this is double bond and this is single. So, but experimentally we have found that all the bond lengths are equal. All bond lengths are equal. What is this happening? Another example, acetone. This is the structure of the acetone. So from this structure I can say there is a double bond in between C and O. So I can say bond order will be 2. But this is not the case. Experimentally we have found that bond order is greater than 1, smaller than 2. So what is this happening? And how we will explain all these? So to explain all these, the concept of resonance was introduced. What is this? In the resonance, what we do, when the single Lewis structure of any molecule is not enough to explain all the properties of the molecule, then what we do, we have developed the idea of resonance to explain all these. So to explain all these, the idea of resonance came into the picture. And what is the resonance? Resonance is a completely hypothetical concept. What we do in this, when the single structure of the molecule is not enough to explain all the properties of the molecule, then more number of structures were made to explain the rest of the properties of the molecule. And these structures called canonical structures or the resonance structures, and this phenomena is called resonance. Let us understand what I am trying to explain you. So this is ozone molecule and this one is the first Lewis structure. So I can draw the another structure of this. This one is second, this one is first, this one is second. From these two structures I can see, this is, let's say 1 2 3, 1 2 3. I can see there is a double bond between oxygen 1 and 2, and from this there is a double bond between 2 and 3, means partial double bond character is present between 1 and 2 and 2 and 3. That is why experimentally we have found that both the bond lengths are equal. This double bond is delocalizing between oxygen 1, 2 and 3. So that is why we have found that A equals to B, all the bond lengths are equal. And we can draw the resonance hybrid of the ozone molecule from the help of these canonical forms, because each canonical form explain properties or explain other properties of the molecule, and each canonical form contribute in the resonance hybrid. And what is that resonance hybrid? Resonance hybrid is the structure closely resembled to the actual structure of the molecule. We will see. So if I draw the resonance hybrid of these canonical forms, so it will be like this. Double bond between 1 and 2, double bond between 2 and 3. So partial double bond character between 1, 2 and 3. We can see there is a positive on oxygen 2 and there is a negative on oxygen 1, oxygen 3 and oxygen 1. So there will be partial negative and partial positive. Means this double bond delocalizing between 1, 2 and 3, and oxygen 2 having partial positive charge and oxygen 1 and 3 having partial negative charge. See, each canonical form explain different properties of the molecule. This canonical form explains some properties, this canonical form explains some properties, but the resonance hybrid explain all the properties of the molecule. So from the resonance hybrid structure, I can see equal partial double bond character between 1, 2 and 2 and 3, between 1 and 2 and 2 and 3. So this is the explanation of the experimental results. Another one, benzene. If I draw the another Lewis structure, will be like this. This is the representation arrow between canonical forms. So from these two, these both are canonical forms, not the real structure. कैनोनिकल बोलूं या RS बोलूं, मतलब कहने का मतलब ये हाइपोथेटिकल स्ट्रक्चर्स हैं, दीज आर नॉट द रियल वन. सो इनकी हेल्प से मैं बनाता हूं हाइब्रिड स्ट्रक्चर्स. हाउ? सी, between 1 and 2 there is a double bond, and in this between 2 and 3 there is a single bond, and we can see from this structure there is a double bond between 2 and 3. So every single bond has a partial double bond character. So this will be the resonance hybrid of the benzene, and from this structure I can clearly say all the single bonds have a equal partial double bond character, so all the bond lengths are equal. And in this case, this will be the another canonical form, minus, plus, first and second. So there is a double bond, and there is second canonical form, there is a partial negative on the oxygen, partial positive on the carbon center, and there is a single bond between O, means much electron density has shifted towards the oxygen side. So from both these canonical forms I can draw the hybrid one. This is the hybrid structure. There is a double bond, there is a single bond, means have a partial double bond character between C and O. So I will represent this by this way, partial negative, partial positive. So this will be the resonance hybrid. So this is the concept of resonance. What we do in this, when the single Lewis structure is not enough to explain all the properties of the molecule, then we draw some more structures to explain the rest of the properties, and these structures contribute in the resonance hybrid according to their stability. More stable will contribute more in the resonance hybrid, less stable will contribute less. So this is the concept of resonance. Now we will see some rules how to draw the resonance structures, but before that there's a let us understand what is resonance hybrid and how the canonical forms contribute in the resonance hybrid. With the help of an acetone molecule, I can draw the canonical forms of this. Will be like this. These are the canonical forms of the acetone molecule, and this will be the resonance hybrid of these canonical forms. What I'm trying to explain you, see, this is the hypothetical. This one is also hypothetical, but this one is resonance hybrid, means very close to real structure. Means what? Some properties of the acetone molecule will be explained by this structure. Some properties will be explained by this structure, and all the properties will be explained by the structure called resonance hybrid, which resembles to the actual structure of the molecule. Some properties, what I'm trying to explain you, see, this structure clearly हमें बता रहा है देयर इज अ डबल बॉन्ड बिटवीन सी एंड ओ। मैं जब इस प्रॉपर्टी इस स्ट्रक्चर की बात करता हूं तो इससे हमें क्या पता लगता है, इससे हमें क्लियरली ये पता लगता है कि जब भी व्हेन देयर विल बी अटैक बाय न्यूक्लियोफाइल, न्यूक्लियोफाइल विल बी अटैक ऑन द इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक सेंटर। सो हमने हमेशा देखा है जो कार्बोनिल्स होते हैं वहां पे जब भी न्यूक्लियोफाइल आता है this attack on the electrophilic center. So this is the structure which explaining this property of the this type of molecule. Means nucleophile, when the nucleophile will come, it will attack on the electrophilic center. A carbon have a partial positive charge, and when the in the acidic condition, when the H plus come, it will attack on the, or it will attach to the oxygen side, as this is having a partial negative charge. So some properties of the molecule explained by this canonical form, some explained by this canonical form, but all the properties will be explained by this, because have a partial double bond character and partial negative on the oxygen, partial positive on the carbon center. So this is hypothetical, this is a real, close to real one. One more thing, these canonical forms contribute in the structure of resonance hybrid. How? More stable the canonical form, it will contribute more in the resonance hybrid. Suppose this is a stable one among these canonical forms, so this will contribute more in the resonance hybrid, and this is the least stable, so it will contribute less in the resonance hybrid. How we check the stability of the canonical form, we will see in the later part of the video. So now we will see some rules how to draw the resonance structures. Rules to draw the resonance structures. So rule number is 1. I will write all the rules here, then I will explain all the rules one by one with the help of example. So rule number 1 is position of atom should not change. Okay. Second one is total charge should be same. While drawing the resonance structure, we have to keep all these rules in the minds. Total charge should be same. Total number of unpaired electron should be same. See example. Suppose ester, this is ester molecule. I want to draw the canonical form of this ester molecule, another canonical form, so will be like this. In this, the concept of resonance, there is two more terms, delocalization and conjugation. We will see these terms in later, but अभी के लिए हम देख लेते हैं कि इसका कैनोनिकल फॉर्म बनाते कैसे हैं, कि देखो डीलोकलाइजेशन के लिए कॉन्जुगेशन की जरूरत होती है. इस केस देयर इज अ प्रॉपर कॉन्जुगेशन, सो ये डीलोकलाइजेशन से हम इसका अनदर कैनोनिकल फॉर्म बनाएंगे. हाउ? So this first canonical form, second canonical form. We can verify these canonical form with these rules. First one is position of atom should not change. I am not changing any position of the atom. We are just moving the electron density moving, not the position of the atom. So rule number 1 is valid. Total charge should be same. Total charge, I am talking about the total charge, net charge 0 था पहले भी, अब कितना है? प्लस माइनस अभी भी 0. सो रूल नंबर 2 इज वैलिड. टोटल नंबर ऑफ अनपेयर्ड इलेक्ट्रॉन शुड बी सेम. पहले कितने थे अनपेयर्ड नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन? 0 थे, अभी भी कितने? 0. सो रूल नंबर 3 इज ऑल्सो वैलिड. So these are the rules we have to keep in mind while drawing the resonance structures. Some more examples. Talking about the acetone molecule, the another canonical form will be like this. If I draw if I want to draw the another one, so I can draw this one also, plus minus. अब हम देखेंगे इसमें से कौन सी कैनोनिकल फॉर्म्स हैं, कौन सी नहीं हैं. सो टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस वन, फर्स्ट वन, सेकंड, थर्ड. Position of atom should not change, no change in any position of the atom. नेट चार्ज पहले भी जीरो था, अभी भी जीरो है. टोटल नंबर ऑफ अनप्लग पहले भी जीरो थे, अभी भी जीरो है. तो दिस इज द कैनोनिकल फॉर्म. अब what is the difference between these two structures? There is a negative on the oxygen, but in this structure there is a positive on the oxygen. This is the only difference. So if ये canonical form है, but हम इसको बनाते नहीं because this is very least stable. Stability अभी हम आगे देखेंगे कि how to decide the stability of the resonance structures. We will see further in the later part of the video. So this is also the canonical form, but this is very least stable. But हाँ, this is the canonical form, इसको बोलेंगे क्योंकि this is following all the rules of the making resonance structures. No change in position of atom, number of electron are same, and charge is also same. Net charge 0, net charge 0, net charge 0. Talking about this one, if I draw this canonical dot means I have break this bond homolytically. So talking about the rules, position of atom should not change, no change in the position, correct. Total charge should be same, total charge पहले भी जीरो था, अभी भी जीरो है, correct. Total number of unpaired should be same, पहले कितने थे number of electrons जीरो, but in this case 1 2 ये तो लोन पेयर होते हैं ना ऑक्सीजन के, तो number of unpaired electron कितने हैं 2, and this is not following the rules. So this is not the canonical form. ये canonical form है, ये भी है, but this is not the canonical form. So these are the rules we should keep in mind while drawing the resonance structures. Now the question is how we will decide the stability of these resonance structures or the canonical forms. So there are some rules to decide the stability. How we decide? Rules to decide the stability rules to decide the stability of resonance structures. Rule number 1 is related to the number of charges. Means stability inversely proportional to the number of charge. Understand, stability is inversely proportional to the number of charges. Charges molecule always be less stable than the neutral molecule. So if I take an example of the acetone molecule, CS3 CO CS3, another canonical form will be like this. This is neutral canonical form, this is charged one. So neutral will stability is inversely proportional to the number of charges. Number of charge इधर 2 है, इधर number of charge 0, no charge, there is a +1 and plus and minus, so number of charge 2. So this is first, this is second. So first will be more stable than the second. This is rule number 1. Now the rule number 2 is related to octet rule or total number of pi bond, or total bonds sigma plus pi. अभी हम देख लेंगे कि क्या मैं कहना चाहता हूँ with the help of example. This CH2 another canonical form will be like this. So the first second. So octet rule हमें क्या कहता है कि वो canonical form ज़्यादा स्टेबल होगी जिसमें सभी का octet rule complete हो. Let's see. In this canonical form, this carbon has not complete octet rule. Oxygen has or hydrogen has, but hydrogen has doublet. This carbon having plus charge on it have no complete octet rule. But in the second one, carbon have complete octet. In this oxygen have 3 bond and 1 lone pair. So octet is complete. So from the first rule, stability is inversely proportional to the number of charges. So charges are same on both the molecule. There is a plus one charge on this and one charge on one charge on carbon and one charge on oxygen. So charge is same in both the case. Now the rule number 2 and the priority order उसी वे में लगाना है जैसे मैं आपको रूल बताऊंगा, लास्ट में मैं लिख भी दूंगा कि पहले ये वाला जिस सीक्वेंस में मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ उसी सीक्वेंस में ही रूल्स को हमें लगाना है टू डिसाइड द स्टेबिलिटी, टू कंपैरिजन द स्टेबिलिटी बिटवीन रेजोनेंस स्ट्रक्चर. हाँ, दिस हैज अ कंप्लीट ऑक्टेट, सो सेकंड विल बी more stable than the first one. Now the rule number 3 is related to location of charge. Location of charge means more negative will be more stable on the more negative charge, more stable on more electronegative, and the positive charge will be more stable on least electronegative. अभी हम ये सारी चीजें एग्जाम्पल करेंगे, सारी चीजें हमारे क्लियर हो जाएंगी कि मैं क्या कहना चाहता हूं. मीन्स अगर कैनोनिकल फॉर्म में नेगेटिव चार्ज होगा तो वो वाली कैनोनिकल फॉर्म ज्यादा स्टेबल होगी जिसमें नेगेटिव चार्ज मोर इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव पे हो और पॉजिटिव चार्ज मोर लीस्ट इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव पे हो. जैसे अगर मैं कहना चाहूँ, जैसे कि एग्जांपल के लिए ऑक्सीजन O माइनस F माइनस, सो F माइनस विल बी मोर स्टेबल एज दिस इज मोर इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव. O नेगेटिव C नेगेटिव, this will be more stable as this is more electronegative, and negative C negative, this will be more stable as this is more electronegative than carbon. So let's see the rule. This is rule number 3. Let's see another rule. और प्रायोरिटी ऑर्डर उसी सीक्वेंस में लगाना है जैसे मैं बता रहा हूँ. पहले रूल नंबर 1, देन 2, देन 3. नाउ द रूल नंबर 4 इज सेपरेशन ऑफ चार्ज. सेपरेशन ऑफ charge. Like charges means कहना क्या चाहता हूँ, like we know that same charges repel each other and opposite charges attract each other. So like charges जितना दूर होंगे far away उतनी ही स्टेबिलिटी ज्यादा. Second, unlike charges जितना क्लोज होंगे, क्लोज होने से क्या होता है, लाइक चार्जेस प्लस माइनस, जितना क्लोज होंगे अट्रैक्शन ज्यादा. अट्रैक्शन मीन्स एनर्जी रिलीज, एनर्जी रिलीज बोले तो स्टेबिलिटी ज्यादा. सो लाइक चार्जेस वांट इन द कैनोनिकल फॉर्म, इन द मोस्ट स्टेबल कैनोनिकल फॉर्म, लाइक चार्जेस विल बी फार अवे एंड क्लोज. इन द अनलाइक, टॉकिंग अबाउट द अनलाइक चार्जेस विल बी वांट टू क्लोज टू ईच अदर to release the energy and to become more stable. Number 4, and the last one is when all these 4 rule tie, and the 5th one is related to the stability of intermediate. We will apply all these rule in priority order. First one is related to the number of charges, stability inversely proportional to the number of charges. Second one is the octet rule, and the third one is location of charge, and the fourth one is separation of charge, and the fifth one is related to the stability of the intermediate. So this will be the priority order of priority order. लिख देता हूँ एक बार में, फिर हम क्वेश्चन फटाफट से लगा देंगे. पहला क्या होगा, नंबर ऑफ चार्ज. दूसरा ऑक्टेट रूल. तीसरा नंबर ऑफ चार्ज, ऑक्टेट रूल, लोकेशन ऑफ चार्ज. चौथा सेपरेशन ऑफ चार्ज. पांचवा स्टेबिलिटी ऑफ इंटरमीडिएट. ये जो है हम क्वेश्चन से इसको देख लेंगे कि क्या मैं कहना चाहता हूं स्टेबिलिटी ऑफ इंटरमीडिएट से. दिस इज द प्रायोरिटी ऑर्डर. सो अब हम फटाफट से क्वेश्चन देख लेते हैं, फिर हमें बात समझ आएगी कि एक्चुअल में मैं कहना क्या चाहता हूं. सो द क्वेश्चन 1 इज 1-methoxy 1,3-butadiene क्वेश्चन ये है कि विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग रेजोनेंस स्ट्रक्चर इज द लीस्ट स्टेबल। मैं अभी 4 ऑप्शन दूंगा, उसमें से कौन सी लीस्ट स्टेबल रेजोनेंस स्ट्रक्चर होगी वो हमें बतानी है। तो मैं फटाफट से यहाँ पे बना देता हूँ। CH2 प्लस CH डबल बॉन्ड CHO CH3, B CH2 प्लस CH डबल बॉन्ड CHO पॉजिटिव CH3, C2 प्लस CH माइनस CH प्लस O CH3, D CH2 डबल बॉन्ड CH प्लस CH double bond O CH3. So we have to find the least stable structure. कौन सी है इसमें से? We will keep the priority order in our mind while solving these type of questions. So first one is related to the number of charges. If I talk about the number of charges, there is 2 1 1, number of charges 2 1 2 3 4, number of charges 4 1 1. So from the first rule, this is very clear that there is a more number of charges in this canonical form and stability is inversely proportional to the number of charges. So this will be our correct answer. Now the another question is, which will contribute most to the resonance hybrid? Which will contribute more to the resonance hybrid? Option A, B, C, so apply the rules in priority order. First rule, we have to find which will contribute more. Which will contribute more? That जो more stable होगा वो ज़्यादा contribute करेगा. Okay, so we have to find which will contribute more. So we have to find the most stable canonical form. So first rule number 1 is related to the number of charges. Number of charge 1 1 1 1, number of charge. Another rule is related to the octet rule, or the total number of pi bonds or total number of bonds. So if I check this structures, octet is, this carbon have not octet complete, so octet not complete, so octet not carbon have not complete octet. But in this structure every atom has complete octet. This oxygen have a plus charge but one lone pair, 3 bond, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 complete octet. So among all these, this has a complete octet, so this will be the more stable structure and will contribute more in the resonance hybrid. So ये क्वेश्चन भी हमारा हो गया. So आज के लिए इतना ही. थैंक यू एवरीवन.